Welcome to 6916 Fieldstone Court in Columbus, Georgia, located just off Flat Rock Road. This property is on the cul-de-sac, close to shopping, schools, restaurants, and entertainment. This is a view of the living room, hardwood floor. View of the dining room, has tile adjacent to the kitchen. First view of the kitchen has a breakfast bar. The door there in the center goes to the backyard. Second view of the kitchen, backsplash. Third view, plenty of cabinets. Fourth view, this is bedroom number 1. Second view of bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. Second view of bedroom number 2. This is the bathroom located between bedroom number 1 and 2. Has tile floor. This is the den adjacent to the living room. Second view of the den. You can see the 2 doors on the left that go into the living room. Third view of the den. The door there in the center leads to the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Second view of the master bedroom. Master bath, tile floor, stand-up shower, soaker tub, utility room, washer and dryer connections. This is the rec room, very large and spacious. Second view of the rec room. The door there on the left is the hot water heater and storage space. Back view of the house. Side view of the yard.